What else, Edward? I am Maicol, the new apprentice.
But it is of a pleasure to meet you. I am Edwar. I am 33 years in industrial mechanic. I am in charge of the industry. You arrive the work pressure. The let's go.
Okay, I am ready.
Let's go.
Explica.
Go out was crew of is the CSB is the locative with the electromechanical and workshop and the CNC workshop.
Wow. That is most complete workshop. Alvarez, what machines are in the workshop?
In our workshop, we have a great variety of the machines. We have legs and the wheels machine of the electric pumps and the hydraulic press.
Oh, cool. Oh, cool. And the machines, the workshop working?
Yes, and the machines in the workshop of the working.
It seems that there will be a lot of activities during the course of the technology, right? That right, you will explain that this electrophone is what?
They are used to pull water from on the plates to abandon and the transport of the clean water, dirty water and the various liquids.
Wow, it is very important. It's a machine.
Yes, it is fundamental in the field of the war and the death. The death are the seven thieves.
Good. Look, there is the difference. You said it because.
It really, and what can is the beach using for?
To compound different types of materials for to compact and plant them.
It is good that you already have the idea of the song on the machines.
Yes, this why we continue with the tour.
Yes, of the book, last book of the last this is the workhouse where we leave most of the machines in the course will use it.
It's a bit missable, it's a very complex.
Yes, and what the quality do all the working.
Oh, thank you.